This is Fotile Pixie Air 3002 range hood. I've been using this range hood for over a month and I want to share with you my experience and how to use it. So let's get started. You know, in North America, the most of the range hood, they have some problems. The first one is the CFM is not good enough, or just suction is not good enough. Another one will be the design, because my older ones, the fans blow the air out, so it doesn't suck everything in. And another one will be some of the range hood was combined with a microwave, so they all together, but doesn't work well. And don't mention that some of the range hood don't vent the air out. So let's talk about the function. Actually, it's super easy to use. So there are two ways you can turn it on. The first one is press the button, is very little. And this is the second one. And this is super. Also, if you are doing like a really a lot of smoking, you just hold it, and this is the most powerful suction. And there's another way you can operate. So here, this is wave on and off, very simple. So when you wave in, it gets start. So here, it got super power of the suction. You know, when you're cooking, your hand is probably not that clean. You better don't touch this part. So after you're done, yeah, you just wave it off. It's so convenient. On the left hand side, there is a light. You can turn it on. This is low. And you press another time, this is high. And the lighting is LED shooting this way. Actually, it doesn't flash in your eyes. You will feel very comfortable. And this is one, for example, after you're cooking, you feel like it is still some smoking coming out. So you can press. This is 5 minutes timer. You press that again, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and this turn off. This is air management. What it can do, it can detect the air quality inside your kitchen. So it will automatically kick in if you feel like there is some smoking or some hazard gas. It will start suck the air out of your kitchen. So we have several occasions that when my wife is doing cleaning using some alcohol and other chemicals, and they start, my wife just scared because she doesn't touch it, and here it become orange. So you don't really need to turn it on. It will automatically manage your air quality in the kitchen. Let's talk about the most important part, is the effectiveness to get the exhaust out. So let's turn it on, and let's try this. And now I put it outside, on the edge of my stove. You see that like all of the stuff will suck in there. So let's try something different. Let's put it outside of the stove. This is outside of the stove. It's going out and suck in. So let's try the most powerful settings to see what's going on. I'm very happy with this product, and I think it delivered a very great result. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.